How to fix Minecraft crash problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do is easy. First, just type here apps. Here is the default apps, click on it. Now go to apps and features, and now just type here Xbox game bar and click on it, and then click advanced options. Now once you're here, just scroll down until you find reset settings, and here you will find repair, click on it, and that's it. After that, just wait a few seconds, and that's it. Now just close it, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, try again, and you'll find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.